Mid 1970 here again, and this time I've got a problem with the door lock on the back of my Land Rover. It doesn't lock anymore, so I'm going to take it apart, find out what's wrong and show you how to fix it. That's not good. Right, I'm going to have to cut this off with the grinder. So, bit of health and safety, please put something on. It's a dog bone, 2 welded nuts on it. So what I'm going to have to do now is try, clean that up, get the threads out of there, re-tap it and reuse it. And there we have one door lock. Okay, so we've taken the old lock off, door handle, lock assembly, and we have the new one. Now, we have to take the lock barrel out. I haven't been able to find much online about this, but I have actually found out how to do it and I'm going to show you. It's not that difficult. You take your keys and you put your keys in here. Now, there's a hole there, and in that hole we have to insert a pin. There is a brass pin that sticks up and we have to depress the brass pin and then withdraw that. Now, I've not done this before, so we'll see how long it takes. And yes, I'm going to have to take my glasses off to do it because I can't see that close up. So in here, we have to find the pin. There it is. That took me a few seconds to do. Okay. I should point out as well, these dogs, yeah, we don't want to lose them. Keep the key in the lock. Okay, we refit it. just like that. Fantastic. To refit the lock, and that's it. The new lock is fitted to the door, and it's probably taken me what, 5 minutes to actually do it. Right, let's shut it. And there we have it. One new door lock fitted. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've found this video informative. There's plenty of videos on my channel if you'd like to have a look around. Please remember to like and subscribe, and remember, stay safe folks, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.